Hello, good day grade 10 students. Welcome to Sergeant TV. And in this video ay ating tatalakayin ang Lesson 3 ng Quarter 1 Module 2, that is determining the end term and arithmetic means of arithmetic sequence. So without further ado, let's get started. So here are objectives. Number 1, we're going to recall the arithmetic sequence. Number 2, determine the end term of an arithmetic sequence. And number 3 naman ay to determine the arithmetic mean of an arithmetic sequence. So here are some examples. Determine if the sequence is arithmetic or not. So in our previous video, we're able to discuss what is the common difference and how you're going to determine if the sequence is a arithmetic or not. So in this example, number 1, the terms are -3, 6, -9, 12, and -15. We're going to identify if it is arithmetic or not. We're going to identify kung ano yung common difference nila. So isa-subtract lang natin yung two consecutive terms. So for example, -3 and 6. So yung difference nila is 9. And we have also -15, 21, and -27. So sa example na to, yung common difference nila ay different. So meaning to say, this is not an arithmetic sequence. So let's have number 2. 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x, and 6x. So very easy naman to identify, no? This is an arithmetic sequence kasi pag kukunin natin yung common difference nila, for example, 3x minus 2x is x, 4x minus 3x is x. So, lahat ng difference ng two consecutive terms ay x. So, meaning to say, this is an arithmetic sequence. For the last term, 7, 4, 1, -2, -5. So, as we inspect the sequence, this is a sequence in descending order, right? So, if we're going to determine the common difference, subtract natin yung 4 minus 7, we get -3. And 1 minus 4 is -3. -2 minus 1 is -3. And -5 minus -2 is -3. Ibig sabihin, same yung kanilang common difference. This is an arithmetic sequence. So in this example, we determine the sequence if it is arithmetic or not by simply solving their common difference. Okay, let's proceed. Find the end term of the sequence below. Number 1, find the seventh term of arithmetic sequence 1, 4, 7, 10. This sequence has 4 terms, right? And we're going to find the seventh term. In this example, madali lang natin makukuha yung seventh term. Why? Because meron ng 4 terms tapos kukunin lang natin yung common difference nila. If you're going to get the common difference ng 1, 4, 7, 10, napakadali lang, right? You're going to subtract the two consecutive terms. For example, 4 minus 1, okay? And that is positive 3. Ibig sabihin ay mag-a-add tayo ng 3 sa preceding term. To get 4, add tayo ng 3 sa 1. To get 7, add tayo ng 3 sa 4. And to fill in the blanks, no, para makuha natin yung 7th term, sa 10 ay mag-add tayo ng 3 to get the 5th term. And mag-add tayo sa 5th term ng 3 to get the 6th term. And we add 3 to the 6th term para makuha yung 7th term. So, this is the answers. So, para makuha yung 7th term, mag-add lang tayo ng 3 sa each preceding term. So, 10 plus 3 is 13, 13 plus 3 is 16, and 16 plus 3 is 19. So, therefore, yung 7th term ng arithmetic sequence ng 1, 4, 7, 10 is 19. Okay, for number 2, what is the 10th term of the arithmetic sequence? 7, 15, 23, 31, and 39, and so on. So, this sequence have 5 terms, right? And we're going to get that 10 terms. So, malapit lang yung 5th term sa 10 terms. What we're going to do is to find the common difference since it is arithmetic sequence. After nun ay from 39, mag-add tayo ng common difference nila para makuha natin yung 10th term. So this is the sequence 7, 15, 20, 30. And if we're going to get the common difference nila, that is 8. Because this is in ascending order, so positive yung common difference. Ibig sabihin ay mag-a-add tayo ng 8 sa each preceding term. So 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 8 is 23. 23 plus 8 is 31. 31 plus 8 is 39. We have 47, 55, 63, 71, and the 10th term is 79. So, in this example, napakadali lang na kukunin natin yung 7th term and 10th term. Kasi yung given, malapit lang yung 7 at 10th term. What if you are asked to determine the 100th term of an arithmetic sequence? Can you determine it easily? So, posible natin makukuha yung 100th term gamit yung process na tinuro ko sa inyo. However, it will take us long time para makuha natin yung answer. So, in this case ay gagamit tayo ng formula. That is the formula for the nth term of the arithmetic sequence para makuha natin in just less than a minute, no, or less than 30 seconds kung ano yung 100 term. Okay? Especially, napakalayo ng 100 term if yung given lang is 5 terms, right? Here is the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. It is given by a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So, ito yung mga notation nila. Yung a sub n, ito yung nth term or ito yung last term. A sub 1 naman, ito yung first term, n, number of terms, saka yung d is the common difference. Okay, let's have an example wherein we're going to use this formula. Let's have number 1. Find the 100th term of arithmetic sequence, negative 2, negative 5, negative 8, negative 11. Pag inspectionan natin yung sequence, this is a sequence in descending order. So, let's have the solution. So, ano yung gagawin natin? List natin yung lahat ng given. In the sequence, yung a sub 1 natin is negative 2. Tapos, yung n naman is the number of terms. So, we're going to find the 100th term, meaning to say 100 yung n. Tapos, yung d, how we're going to get d is simply subtract a sub 1 from a sub 2. So, negative 5 minus negative 2 is negative 3. Tapos, yung a sub n naman, or yung a sub 100, yun yung hinahanap natin. So, lagay ko na lang yung question mark. And after that, as we able to determine all the given, ay substitute natin yung given sa formula to solve for a sub 100. So, ano yung formula? So, ito yung formula ng nth term of arithmetic sequence. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times d. So, isa-substitute na natin. Yung a sub n is a sub 100 equals yung a sub 1 is negative 2 plus yung n is 100 minus 1 times yung d naman, or common difference, is negative 3. After that, ay gagamit tayo ng PEMDAS. Unahin natin yung nasa parenthesis, meaning to say yung 100 minus 1. Copy lang natin yung a sub 100 equals, copy yung negative 2 plus 100 minus 1 is 99. Tapos, kopya natin yung times negative 3. So, ibig sabihin nito, we're going to multiply 99 times negative 3. So, unahin natin to because we're using the PEMDAS rule. So, a sub 100 equals negative 2 plus, multiply natin yung negative 3 times 99, it will gives us negative 297. Tapos, i-plus natin yung negative 2 tsaka yung negative 297. And the result is negative 299. So, therefore, yung 100 term niya is negative 299. So, napakadali lang, di ba? Instead na magka-count tayo up to 100 term, ay gagamit lang tayo ng formula. So, in less than a minute, so makukuha na natin yung answer ng problem. Let's have number 2. Find the 50th term of an arithmetic sequence, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. There are only 5 terms given. Tapos, hahanapin natin yung 50th term. So, napakalayo nun. So, gagamit tayo ng formula ng n-term of arithmetic sequence, kagaya ng ginawa natin sa number 1. So, let's have the solution. List natin lahat ng given. Yung a sub 1 natin is 5. So, yung n naman, since 50th term, so n is 50. Tapos, yung common difference, subtract na natin yung a sub 1 from a sub 2. So, 10 minus 5 is positive 5. And we all know that this sequence in this ascending order. So, positive yung common difference. Tapos, yung a sub n is equal to a sub 50. Ito yung hinahanap natin. So, nilagay ko lang na question mark. After we able to determine lahat ng given, ay ating i-substitute sa formula para makuha natin yung a sub 50. This is given by a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. Let us substitute lahat ng given. So, a sub n is a sub 50 equals a sub 1 is 5 plus n is 50 minus 1 times quantity. The common difference is 5. After that one, let's simplify the terms inside the parentheses. A sub 50 equals 5 plus 50 minus 1 is 49 times 5. Let's multiply 49 and 5. A sub 50 equals 5 times 49 will gives us 245. Tapos i-add natin sa 5. 245 plus 5 or 5 plus 245. It will gives us 250. So therefore, in this sequence 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, yung 50th term niya is 250. Alright, so let's have another example. In this example, we're going to find the value of n naman. Okay, and the given is a sub 1 equals negative 2 and a sub 2 equals negative 7. So, solution for this kind of problem, list natin lahat ng given. So, yung a sub n niya, ang last term is negative 57. Tapos, yung a sub 1 naman, given, that is negative 2. And common difference is negative 5. Saan ba natin nakuha yung negative 5 na common difference? Since given yung a sub 1 and a sub 2, and these two here are two consecutive terms, subtract lang natin yung negative 7 minus negative 2. And that will gives us negative 5. And yung hanapin natin is yung n. Ibig sabihin, hanapin natin yung anong term number, yung negative 57. After getting all the given, ay substitute natin sa formula para makuha natin or masolve natin yung n. So, let's have a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1d. A sub n natin is negative 57, a sub 1 is negative 2, plus, copy natin yung n minus 1 kasi ito yung hinahanap natin. Yung d naman, which is negative 5, so substitute natin. After that one, no? If we're going to simplify the terms inside the parentheses, n minus 1, we cannot subtract 1 sa n. Kaya, gagawin natin dito ay i-multiply natin yung negative 5 sa each of the term inside the parentheses. So, ibig sabihin, negative 5 times n and negative 5 times negative 1. It will gives us, kukopyahin lang natin yung negative 57 equals negative 2 plus pag i-distribute natin to negative 5 times n, it will gives us negative 5n. Tapos, negative 5 times negative 1, since pareho yung sign, pag mag-multiply ka ng same sign, so magiging positive siya. That is why positive 5. After that one, we're going to remove the parentheses na. And we got negative 57 equals negative 2. Since negative yung 5n, it will magiging minus 5n tapos plus 5. And we're going to combine like terms. So, magkapareho is yung 5 tsaka yung negative 2. And it will gives us negative 57 equals. So, saan galing yung 3? Since we're going to combine like terms, 5 minus 2 is 3. Then, kopyahan lang natin ng yung minus 5n. And after this one, we're going to transpose natin yung 3 to the left side para yung right hand side is negative 5n na lang. So, magiging negative 57 minus 3 equals negative 5n. And simplify natin, negative 60 equals negative 5n. So, what number we're going to divide para ma-eliminate yung negative 5? And that is negative 5. So, eliminated na yung negative 5. And mangyayari is we're going to divide yung negative 60 divided by negative 5, and it will gives us 12 equals n, or n equals 12. Ibig sabihin, yung negative 57 ay ang 12th term. Okay? So, in this kind of problem, we're able to find the value of n, or the term number. Because in the previous example, number 1 and number 2, we're able to solve for the a sub n. Dito naman is yung n. So, sa number 4 naman ay kukunin natin yung a sub 1. So, let's have that kind of problem. Find a sub 1 equals a sub 5 equals 66, and a sub 6 is 72. So, in this kind of solution, so let's have the given. Una is yung n. Yung n is 6. Why 6? Because yung last term natin is a sub 6, meaning there are only 6 terms. Tapos yung d naman, or yung common difference nila, is 6. How we were able to get 6? Because a sub 5 and a sub 6 are consecutive terms. Subtract lang natin yung 72 minus 66, and that is 6. Tapos yung a sub n, or the last term, is your a sub 6, which is 72. And we're going to find the value of a sub 1. After getting all the given, substitute na natin sa formula para makuha natin yung a sub 1. And that formula is a sub 1, ay a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1d. Yung a sub n natin is 72, a sub 1, ito yung hinahanap natin, so kopyahin lang natin, plus yung n is 6 minus 1, tapos yung common difference naman is 6. So let's simplify the terms inside the parentheses. 72 equals a sub 1 plus 6 minus 1 is 5 times 6. We got 72 equals, multiply natin yung 5 and 6, and it will gives us 30. Para makuha natin yung a sub 1, since meron tayong plus 30 dito, kailangan lang natin na i-transpose yung 30 to the left side. Okay? And it will gives us 72 minus 30 equals a sub 1. Simplify natin. 42 equals a sub 1. Ibig sabihin, yung a sub 1 natin is 42. Alright. So, let's proceed. Now, what is an arithmetic means? An arithmetic mean refer to the terms between any two consecutive terms of an arithmetic sequence. Tapos, yung formula niya ay given by D, which is the common difference, equals yung quantity a sub n minus a sub 1 all over n minus 1. Tapos, yung a sub n, this is the last term, and number of terms, a sub 1 first term, and yung d naman is ang common difference. Ang arithmetic means ay kukunin natin yung common difference. Since given yung first at saka yung last term, it is easy for us to find the middle terms, no? Or yung terms that is between two non-consecutive terms if we have the common difference. So let's have an example para we can elaborate this arithmetic means. So example number 4. Insert an arithmetic mean between 5 and 11. Ibig sabihin ay maglalagay tayo ng one term between 5 and 11. So how are we going to do that? There are numbers that is between 5 and 11. So what is the appropriate number na ilalagay natin between 5 and 11? So gagamit tayo ng arithmetic mean. So ang solution nito, first is we are going to list all the given. So ang a sub 1 natin is 5. Tapos, since there are 3 terms, ibig sabihin yung a sub n natin or yung a sub 3 natin is 11. Tapos, yung n naman, the number of terms. Since given yung dalawang term na a sub 1, a sub 3, tapos maglalagay tayo ng isa pang term between them. So, there are only 3 terms. Okay, so, ganito yung format niya. Meron tayong a sub 1, tapos a sub 3. Yung a sub 2 is yung hinahanap natin. So, gagamit tayo ng arithmetic mean na formula. D is equal to quantity a sub n minus a sub 1 all over n minus 1. Substitute natin lahat ng given. D is equal to 11 minus 1, 11 minus 5 over 3 minus 1. So, 11 minus 5 is 6. D is equal to 6 over 2 and it will gives us 3. Ibig sabihin, yung common difference nila is 3. Para makuha natin yung A sub 2 ay i-add natin yung common difference sa preceding term. How to do it? So, 5 yung preceding term, right? Before niyo yung A sub 2. So, mag-a-add lang tayo ng 3 sa 5 and it will give us 8. So, this this is in the form of figure. Pero we can compute this like this one. A sub 2 is A sub 1 plus the common difference. So, A sub 1 natin is 5 plus yung common difference is 3 and the answer is 8. So, therefore, the 8 is the arithmetic mean between 5 and 11. Okay, for the next example, number 4, insert two arithmetic means between negative 15 and negative 45. We can insert more than one arithmetic means in two consecutive terms. So, in this problem, mag-add tayo ng two arithmetic means. So, solution nito, let's have all the given. Yung a sub 1 natin is negative 15. Tapos yung a sub n natin, yung last term, since dalawang arithmetic means yung ilalagay natin between negative 15 and negative 45, ibig sabihin meron tayong apat, no? Apat na terms. At yung a sub 4 natin is negative 45. Tapos yung n or number of terms is 4. So, ganito yung mangyayari. So, we have negative 15 and we're going to find the a sub 2 and a sub 3. As we observe, no, sa sequence na ito, the sequence is in descending order. Okay, let's have the solution. Substitute the given to solve for the D. Let's have the formula for the arithmetic means. A sub n minus a sub 1 all over n minus 1. Substitute natin. We have a sub n is negative 45 and minus ito, tapos negative naman yung a sub 1, so magiging plus 15 ito. All over 4 minus 1. Therefore, negative 45 plus 15 is negative 30 over 3. And the common difference or the D is negative 10. Ibig sabihin ay mag-a-add tayo ng negative 10 in the preceding terms. To get the next term of the sequence, add a common difference 3 to the preceding term. So, ito yung mangyayari, no? So, negative 15. Para makuha natin yung a sub 2 at a sub 3, mag-add tayo na negative 10. Negative 10. So, negative 15 plus negative 10 is negative 25. And negative 25 plus negative 10 is negative 35. And we can also calculate this one using the formula a sub 2 is equal to a sub 1 plus d. So, negative 15 minus 10 is negative 25. Para makuha natin yung a sub 3, add lang tayo ng negative 10 sa negative 25 and that is negative 35. So, therefore, yung dalawang arithmetic means between negative 15 and negative 45 are negative 25 and negative 35. So, that's how you're going to find the arithmetic means of an arithmetic sequence. So here are some activities that will sharpen your skills on finding the common difference and arithmetic mean. So this is activity number 2, and also here the activity number 3, you're going to find the arithmetic mean between two consecutive term. Okay, there are 5 items here, and we have also the activity number 1. So you're going to find a common difference and the term to be solved. So, using the n term of arithmetic sequence na formula na tinuro ko sa inyo. I hope na marami kayong natutunan regarding the n term of arithmetic sequence and arithmetic mean. So, if you have some question, you can comment down below sa comment section natin. So, thank you so much for listening and have a good day, everyone. God bless.